Welcome to BikeZone channel. Today we dive into future of riding. The 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 represents the next leap in motorcycle technology, blending Harley's iconic design with modern-day innovation. If you're ready for a ride unlike any other, stay tuned as we dive into what makes the VR2 an absolute game-changer. Design aesthetics. At first glance, the VR2 grabs your attention with its bold new design. While staying true to the Harley Davidson legacy, this bike introduces futuristic styling, sharp lines, aggressive curves, and a minimalist yet high-tech aesthetic. Harley fans will appreciate the craftsmanship, while new riders will be drawn in by its modern flair. The VR2 comes in several vibrant colorways, all complemented by premium finishing touches. Engine performance. Now let's talk power. The 2025 VR2 is equipped with Harley's new liquid-cooled V-twin engine, pushing out an impressive 145 horsepower. This isn't just a bike, it's a beast built for speed and endurance. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling twisty back roads, the VR2 delivers smooth and responsive performance. With improved torque, enhanced acceleration, and top-of-the-line suspension, every ride feels exhilarating. Technology features. Harley Davidson didn't hold back when it came to technology. The VR2 features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a sleek touchscreen display, offering navigation, music, and Bluetooth connectivity right at your fingertips. It also includes advanced riding modes, adaptive cruise control, and cornering apps for optimal safety and performance in any condition. Plus, the bike is equipped with Harley's latest smart key system and anti-theft technology, keeping both your ride and peace of mind secure. Comfort ergonomics. Long rides? No problem. The VR2's ergonomic seat design, adjustable foot pegs, and handlebar positioning allow for maximum comfort during extended trips. The bike's enhanced suspension absorbs road bumps effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and stable ride, even on rough terrain. Whether you're commuting daily or taking weekend road trips, the VR2 offers premium comfort for both rider and passenger. Sustainability future. Harley Davidson is looking toward the future, and the VR2 reflects that. While it packs a powerful punch, it also embraces more sustainable engineering with better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The future of riding is not just about speed, it's about sustainability, and the VR2 is a step toward a cleaner, greener motorcycle industry. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement of power, innovation, and the future of riding. For those ready to push the limits and embrace the next era of Harley Davidson, the VR2 is waiting for you. Ready to ride? Call to action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what are you most excited about with the 2025 Harley Davidson VR2. Until next time, ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.